Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eye Shadow. So this is a very metallic gold. I have it in the color Radiant, which is number 404. And so this is supposed to be, so the description of this says that it's an ultra fine long lasting powder. Can be worn alone or layered for intense shimmering color. I really like these. I think that it's got like a really good shine to it. I probably would only use it in the shimmering ones and rather than the matte ones because I don't think the pigment is quite there. Like it's not super pigmented. So for that reason, I do really like the shadowy shimmery metallic ones, but I don't know that the like matte finish ones would do it for me. So it comes in this cute little jar, and when I didn't get it, it doesn't come just like this. It comes in like a cardboard package, so like it has the cardboard and then plastic around that's attaching it to it, so which is really nice because you know no one has like tried to open it or use it or anything like that. So I'll go ahead and open this up, and it's just a little twist cap here, and it comes with a brush. I left the brush in there just to show you, but I actually don't use this brush. I use a different one, but that's just because I have a ton of like makeup brushes, so I prefer just to use a different one. And also it came like this. Maybe you can see that. It's like the hairs on the brushes like all out of whack, and like that's how it came. So that's kind of annoying. I don't know if it's I'm trying to like pull that off. Yeah, it's stuck on there. But I don't know, I feel like this brush is just like gonna be really awkward to like apply to your eye. As you can see, beforehand I put a little bit there, and then I kind of tried rubbing it off. So let's see, because it is a loose powder, it is going to be a little bit messy, so you have to be careful. As you can see, I've used this product some. It also didn't come super filled, so just keep that in mind as well. But so when it like the center was already kind of hollowed out when I first got it. I have used it quite a bit, so it wasn't quite this much, but just like be aware of that. So I'll go ahead and do like, see if I can do like a little swatch here. Another one to show you. It's just very shimmery, as you can see. It's gonna add a nice shine. I would probably, like it says, you can use it alone or as a layer. I would probably only use it as a layer just because it's basically pure glitter. There's not much other color to it. It's just glittery and shiny. So I personally wouldn't want just glitter on my, like I said, it's a little bit messy because it's loose powder, but it does come right off. I would probably use like a makeup wipe and it'll come right off whatever it gets on really easily. But anyway, I wouldn't want glitter on my eye, so I would probably put like a different matte color on, or maybe even a gold matte that kind of matches this, and then put this over it, and I think that that'll look really pretty. I also would use this like in the corner of my eye for just like a little bit of extra shine, kind of like a highlighter. And this would work really well for. It's a really small, so it's super travel friendly. Sorry, I got a little, oh look, it's actually kind of cute. Getting it on my, hey, maybe that's like another use if you can do that, and then put like a gel color or a clear gel top coat. I wonder if that would stay. Guys, I'm gonna have to try that now because that was really cute. But yeah, so there's not really much information like on the actual product. This product is made in China, and like the packaging has like more information as far as like it's like the ingredients, which is just a bunch of ingredients that I cannot pronounce. But yeah, this is really small, so it's very travel friendly. It'll fit really easily in like a small makeup bag or anything like that. Really easy to travel with, and I just think that it like just ups your look a little bit, especially for like nighttime, to go out or to go out to like a fancy dinner, to go dancing. This is really gonna work well because it just adds that extra little shine, extra little something to your look. So that's my personal favorite time to use it, is when I'm going out at night with friends, going dancing or something, and I always get lots of compliments when I use it. Sometimes I will use it on the apples in my cheeks as well, just because, like I said, it's super shimmery but not really pigmented, so it would work well as a highlighter as well. Overall, this is a really great little powder, eyeshadow powder. It comes with a brush if you need that, and it just works pretty well for me. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.